Welcome to another video in the Shotcut Video Editing series. I'm Joe, your tech handyman. In this video, I will show you how to increase or decrease your video speed in Shotcut. If this is your very first time watching, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. If you're ready, let's dive right in. So guys, open your Shotcut editor and then click on open file. You're trying to bring in a video as it is now so we can work on. So once you bring in your video and it starts playing in the preview pane, drag it to your playlist like so. Always ensure your videos are in the playlist. Your materials for editing are in there. So you bring it to the timeline like that. Now once you have it selected with the red line all over it, go to properties. Once you click on properties, there are quite a number of details here that you need to know. The first one is the speed, the next one is the duration. You can use this to apply the speed to a particular timeline. This has to do with the other information regarding the track. The codec is there. As you can see, the resolution is there. The frame rate, is actually there as well. Now if you scroll down, you can see that you have another information again regarding this particular video: the color transfer, the color space, the format, the aspect ratio, and then quite a number right there, that you can use to work. So if I play the video, you can see it's playing normally as it is now, but we are going to alter the speed. To do that, you go to the speed. You can see a number there. And then what you need to do is to change the number. You can use the increase end of the button to increase it, for instance to 2, and then click on apply once done. Notice how the timeline shrinks accordingly. If you increase the speed, the timeline shrinks. Now if you play, you notice it's playing a bit faster, like 2 times faster than the normal speed, playback speed, that is. So that is for that. Now if I increase it further, maybe taking it to something like 5, I'm trying to put it at 5 exactly, and then once you select the speed, ensure to click apply. Notice how it shrinks as well, and the timeline shrinks further. And if I play it super fast now, somewhere there is fast because it's playing at 5 times the speed, the normal speed, the normal playback speed, like so. Now if you notice the audio is modeled up, so what you need to do is to click on pitch compensation once you increase the speed if you want to maintain the audio in there. So once you check on that pitch compensation, the audio is not modeled up, but again it will be fast as well. So if you don't want to use the controls here to increase or decrease, you can directly type in the number. You can directly type in the number like this. I will just delete this and type 10. So I want the speed to be 10 times fast. So you can see the timeline has shrunk to that size. So you can click on the zoom to feature. You can see it properly on the timeline. So once I play, you can see how fast it is. Very, very, very fast as it is now, because the speed is at 10 times the normal speed. Now one thing I want to let you guys know is that once you increase it to 50 is like the highest of this playback speed in Shotcut. Now if I put it at 50, it's almost flying. It's very, very fast. So this is the maximum speed. So if I try to type anything above 50, like 1, I'm just hitting 1 now on my keyboard, you can see it's not coming on. But once I hit 0 and 5 and 0, that is, you can see that it plays. So let me take it back to the normal speed again, and then adjust the zoom so that we can really see what you are dealing with. So if I play it at this speed, the default playback speed is 1. That is when it plays normally. You can also reduce the speed, by using the reduce button on there. Then you can see the video is slow now. So it's not about increasing it only. You can actually reduce the playback speed using the same method. And then if you toggle on and off the pitch compensation, you can see the effect it will have on the audio, you know, of that particular video. So you can further, again, if I mute the audio like this and play, you can see that the video is playing slow, because if I leave the audio on, it's so muddled up, and the tone of the pitch has been muddled up as well. So if I reduce it further to maybe 0.3, you can see how very slow. You can use this as an effect. Maybe the video is playing very fast and then you reduce it to play very slowly. Also ensure to click on apply anytime you make any changes to the speed, so that it will take effect immediately. So guys, this is exactly where we'll drop it today. You know how to alter the speed and then to work with pitch compensation when doing that. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.